Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, January 20th, 2026. You're in the live trading room. Welcome, everybody. Glad you're here. Hope you all had a good holiday yesterday, Martin Luther King Day, and a little bit of a 3-day rest there, but we are back. This is last Friday's charts. Ended up with two trades plus 70 and ended up nicely up for the week. Yeah, we had that long sell-off in the beginning of the market. Get my drawing tools out here. Right here, which we got that first trade in, and then on the reversal back up, took a second trade. Wasn't real aggressive on Friday, but took 70 nevertheless. And let's move up, and Q closed at 620.94. Let's see, where is Q is down. Looks like we have a gap play this morning. We sure do. So let's go up and see what the low, let's call it the gap playing trigger is at 618.86. 618.86. Let's move on up to real time. Let's go over to the option chain. And we've got, wow, 3,455,000 already traded, a lot of volume. I think a lot of this is reaction to Trump in Greenland, the stuff that's going on with that. The markets are not liking that at all. Anyway, 3,460,000 traded, and the strikes are way out of whack right now. We are trading the 20th, so we'll wait until we get into the session before we quote out which strikes we'll be at. And with that, I'm going to say good morning to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Morning, everybody. Yeah, Friday, quiet day. It had two trades for 70 cents also. So w- I'll settle for that any day.
Yeah.
Um, the this morning we had the ADP employment change was actually not as good as last month, but not that much different. We'll have a 3-month bond auction at 11:30, as well as the 1-year bond auction at 11:30, and a 6-month bill at 11:30 also. So three of them at 11:30. Nothing big there. President's going to talk tomorrow morning at 8:30 relative to the what was it the address the World Economic Forum in Switzerland. So that'll be tomorrow morning at 8:30. And big things though are Thursday. Ton of announcements on GDP, consumer spending, core spending, personal expenditures, a bunch of stuff on Thursday, and a few more on Friday. But Thursday is going to be a big day, and all those are. Well, some of them are before the market opens, and some of them are at 10 o'clock. So we could see a ton of bouncing at 10 on Thursday.
Hmm.
I was going to say it might be a little lower volume today, waiting for that announcement, but as Tim said, the pre-market's been huge this morning, and I'll be trading today's expiration along with Tim, and I think that's about it. Let's make it a good week.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you, sir, for the
Yep.
announcements. Yeah, let's make it a nice, strong week. We had a good week last week, and let's keep it up. We got 15 seconds. There's 10. Stand by, everybody. Here we go. In five, four, three, two, one. And there's the bell. And we are in. Starting with there's 4 million in underlying traffic. Let's see the broader indices. Wow, Dow is down by 614, Nasdaq's down by 373, S&P's down by 90. Very much red market on the broader indices. We're getting a bounce up right here though. 5 minute has crossed over to the call side. 1 minute has crossed to the call side. Getting an early bounce up here. Price just kind of pausing right here for a few moments, trying to decide what it's going to do. Generally don't take anything the first 5 minutes. Kind of let some of that craziness go by. We kind of want to get a feel for the price direction of the market, and that may not happen for a while. On any given day, we may not know the direction for a while. Price is broken through VWAP. Price coming down, maybe reversing back up here a little bit. Dow, it's down 679. NASDAQ down 424. S&P down 99.
Looks like your charts are running behind this morning a little bit.
Are they? Okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully that will get on time here. Let's see. Come on. Wow. Running about 12 seconds behind.
Got a good crowd in this morning.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we do. I see a couple of folks I'm not familiar with, so I want to welcome you if you're visiting today and checking us out. I'm glad you're here. All right, price is going back up again. Of course, all of our volume has been above 100,000 easily. All right, let's look over the option chain. So I'm going to be, that's expensive. Probably be starting at the 611 on the call side and 615 on the put side. Strikes are expensive today.
Put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5 minute candle.
All right. We can do that.
Wow, that 1 minute MACD is up to 1.3.
Wow. Oh, come on, Tim.
That 5-minute MACD looks like it's a rocket shoot.
Yes, it does, doesn't it? Just be aware of quick reversals. When we get those quick rises like that, we often get equal reversals. That price coming back down again. Market maker just pushing up and down, trying to find where the traders are. Got our 1 minute curling down, heading toward a cross. Possible reversal back up. Maybe getting a supply zone here in about 20 seconds. Price is coming down again. There we go. Let's go ahead and put a supply zone in.
Down at VWAP again.
Yeah, let's keep an eye on that. I'm going to be at the 614. on the put side. This should break through.
Boy, that is expensive.
It is very expensive.
I think I'm going to the 613.
Okay.
Still just watching though.
Yeah. Bouncing off the pseudo demand zone. Everything above 100,000 got 9,900,000 traded on the underlying, heading to 10 million. There's 10 million.
In the first 12 minutes, 10 million. That's high.
Yeah, it's a lot of volume. Price trying to rise here. Price trying to inch up here a bit. One minute MACD has crossed to the call bias side. 5 minute MACD is pointing up. All right, we can move up our pseudo demand zone. Move that up to here. That up to there. Still keeping an eye on that 615 on the put side. See if it manages to break through the demand zone here. I'd stand by on this. I'm going to move the 614 on the put side. 614 strike put.
I'm going to try to get in on this.
All right, 614, stand by. Let's go ahead and get in.
376.
376 for me as well.
I'm going to try to, try to see if I can get out of this around $4. And did.
Wow. All right, stand by to take profit. And let's go ahead and take some profit here. Out at 406, 376 to 406, so 30 cents.
I got 24 cents.
Good trade. Good way to start the week.
Yep. It got down right there at VWAP and said, no, it's going to bounce. I'm not going to push it.
Yep. Yeah, it bounced through just a little bit. I was able to hold on for a little bit through that, but you're right, it wasn't going to last.
See, Brian's not with us this morning. He must have been up late partying with the Indiana victory last night.
Yeah. Yeah. What a game. It's a good game last night. Congratulations to Indiana.
Boy, if you put some money on a bet at the preseason that Indiana was going to win it all, I think you would have come back with a fortune today.
Really?
What did you just say, Keith?
I said if you would have bet that Indiana would have won it all at the beginning of the season, you would have come back with a big gain because they certainly wouldn't have been picked to win it all
Oh, no kidding.
any year, really, Indiana.
They've
Yeah.
never done it.
No,
That coach is magic.
yeah.
Funny.
I heard that there has not been a perfect season in 130 years.
Really?
Yeah.
By anybody?
By anybody in college football.
Yale did it in 18 something.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I remember that.
I thought you might, Keith. And there was one other. I can't remember who, though. I'm not sure that they ever said.
Huh?
My great nephew was at the game.
Oh,
He's
No
a
kidding.
graduate of Indiana.
Wow.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
They said the nosebleed seats for that were $4,000 a pop.
Yeah.
He was happy.
Yeah. Good Lord.
No telling what down close to the actual field would have been. Probably at least 10.
People taking out second mortgages to buy a ticket. Well, they got a game, that's for sure. All right, let's go over to the call side, to the 611 on the call side. Breaking out here a bit. This is new territory for price, and it is going against the broader indices. So,
Yeah. Looks like your charts are up to date now.
oh, good. Let's go back to the put side, to the 615 on the put side.
Hey Tim, what is the reason we want to go for the put? Just asking to learn my knowledge.
Yeah, because we've got this reversal here coming down, just broke through the supply zone, but the broader indices are way down. So that leads me to believe that the overall bias of the market is toward the put side.
It is going against the 5-minute MACD, so we won't be in a trade for long on this, though,
Yeah.
if we get into a put here.
The 1 minute is coming around.
Yeah, I'm going to try to get in on this here.
Yeah, me too. Let's go ahead and try to get into this one, guys. Okay, did get in at 370.
379 for me.
Probably take profit above, just above the demand zone here. Come on, let go. Stand by to take some profit here.
Yep. I just got out at 410.
All right, waiting for mine. All right, taking profit out at 414, 370 to 414. Good trade.
Yeah, I didn't get a great fill on the entry, but
Yeah,
379 to 410, so got 31 cents, so I'll take that.
absolutely.
We've got 2.5 minutes to the pop of the top if there's going to be one also. So good to be get out of it for there.
Yeah.
Again, no announcements at 10, but
Price breaking through the supply zone. Got 15,250,000 already traded on the underlying. And that's before the pop. So great volume. You can see everything's above 100,000 significantly. Dow is down 650, Nas is down 354, S&P is down 90.
yeah, practically every volume is 200,000 or above.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right. 45 seconds to the pop.
Price coming down pretty strong
Yep, we're into the pop.
in the pop. bouncing off the demand zone, staying pretty much between the zones here. So we'll just keep scalping trades on the way down. Dow's now down 725 points. Wow. NASDAQ down 398, S&P down 99.
Need some support at that demand zone. It was until just now.
Down. So I'm going to head back over to the 614 on the put side. But it's got to break below VWAP. Wouldn't mind seeing some reversal back toward the supply zone and picking up a put trade a little earlier in price.
Yep.
The reason is you can see on our 5-minute candles that we've got a lot of support near this area. It's stuck a little bit at VWAP. There we go. Go ahead and reverse back up.
You see the last couple times it's come down to VWAP, it's only stayed there for one candle and then reversed.
Price on the move back up. Come on, price rise. Get up there. All right. Keeping an eye on that 614 on the put side. Still want to see that price rise a bit before it turns.
The 5-minute MACD is trying to cross over.
Yeah. All right. 614 on the put side. Stand by. Maybe going through a little bit of consolidation right now. 5-minute MACD did cross. So we've got agreement on our MACDs.
Back in a minute, Tim.
Sure. Dow is now down 720, NASDAQ down 403, S&P down 102. Price really fighting to rise here a bit. Come on, get up there. Get up there.
It's moved a lot in the last few minutes.
Yeah. Just kind of stuck in this consolidation phase. Not really wanting to break one way or the other. Hmm. Up to 20,800,000 traded on the underlying. Price still descending slowly. All right. Excuse me just for a minute, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. There's the reversal I was hoping to see earlier. See if this is bounce off the supply zone here. Still looking at that 615 on the put side. This should reverse. All right, going over that 615 on the put side. 615. Need to come down a little bit further. Like to see my 5-minute turn a little bit and the 1-minute MACD turn. All right, I'm going to try to jump into this 615 here. And it's not filling.
We got in at 336.
I did not get filled, but I'm going to try again as soon as this comes down.
You're trying to get into the 615 put?
I was trying to.
Can you tell me why?
When it was coming down in that last minute, when it was the price was declining, it was declining pretty well. Thought it was going to be the usual reversal that we've been getting once we got to the supply zone.
5 MACD's pointing straight up.
Yep. Certainly is now. And was then.
Did that worry you a little bit?
What's that?
Did that worry you a little bit?
It did.
It's a brave move then.
But I still believe this is going to come down. Come on down. We can create a new demand zone. I'm going to duplicate this, bring it down here. Hit the price level, bring it down. Turn this gray. Come on, price, come on down.
Oh, come on, the other direction.
Yeah. We are a little over an hour in. I've got 24,856,000 traded on the underlying. The Dow has come back from its lows a bit. The Dow is down 276, NASDAQ down 312, S&P down 73. Still significantly negative market on the broader indices. Obviously, Q has had a fundamental turnaround in price direction. Hard to see that last against these broader indices. Price going through some consolidation now. Come on down, price. Breakout on the bottom.
Hey Tim,
Yes.
one of my left chart, I can't able to see the charts because of the price increased. How can I adjust the scale? Yeah.
Just come over to the side where the vertical numbers are.
Okay.
Hold down your control, not control.
Oh, okay. Got you.
Yeah,
Got you. Thank you. Thank
you
you. Thank
got
you.
it. Comes price, breaking down the bottom. So price still in consolidation around this area. Come on down, price, and break down, break out. Price still hanging out in this consolidation phase. We can move up our supply zone. Let's go ahead and duplicate that. We can move that up to here. Turn this into a minor zone.
Mm.
Price did end up breaking out toward the top side, not the direction we wanted it to go.
Nope.
Price coming back down a bit. All right, price beginning to decline now. We've reached its peak. Come on down, price. Come on down. There we go. And I'm keeping an eye on the 615 on the put side. 615, like to see it break through this minor zone. All right. Going to the 615 on the put side. Stand by. I'm going to enter the 615 on the put side. I'm in at 299. I'm going to take a little quick profit here. Out at 317, 299 to 317. So I got three trades up 92 cents on the morning.
I'm still in that quick trade.
Trade, yeah. That's looking a heck of a lot better than it was.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get out at least part of my contracts here. It looks like it's turning around.
Yeah.
All right, out of half of them.
Move up this supply zone just a little bit. There we go. Price coming back down. Got 29,539,000 traded on the underlying. Dow's now down 528, NASDAQ down 353, S&P down 84. We had quite a turnaround and rise in price there, but just could not maintain it. Come on down.
Mhm.
5-minute MACD has crossed a little while ago. It's going through a little bit of extended consolidation right now.
I'm gonna go ahead and close out the rest of my contracts. Trying to here. Where'd it go? Did it fill? No, it didn't. Really?
Fooey on that.
You know, just wait too long on those.
Okay, folks, we are at the top of the hour. That's going to end our time this morning. As I said, up our three trades, all positive, up 92. And that's going to do it for today. So, Keith, thank you, sir.
Yep.
Okay, we'll
Yep.
see you all tomorrow morning.
See you
Everybody,
tomorrow, everybody.
yeah, have a great afternoon, everybody. Bye for now.
Bye.